The Cypher Case, From Traitor to Acquittal. The Cypher Case was the government's initial attempt to pin a serious anti-state charge on Imran Khan, effectively accusing him of treason. The allegation: prosecutors accused Khan of violating the Official Secrets Act by making public the contents of a classified diplomatic cable, the cipher, sent by Pakistan's ambassador in Washington. Khan had famously waved a piece of paper at a rally in March 2022, claiming it was proof of a US backed conspiracy to topple his government. The verdict: January 2024, a special court convicted him and his foreign minister, Shah Mahmood Qureshi, sentencing them to 10 years in prison for compromising state secrets. The collapse, June 2024, in a major blow to the state's narrative. The Islamabad High Court acquitted both Khan and Qureshi. The court found that the prosecution failed to prove that Khan actually communicated secret information to the public or that foreign powers benefited from it. Why the pivot to corruption? The strategic shift. After the Cypher Case, the traitor narrative collapsed in court. The government and military establishments strategically pivoted to the Al Qadr Trust case, the corruption narrative. Here is why this shift is significant and dangerous for Khan. 1. Attacking his core brand, Sadiq and Amin. Imran Khan's entire political career was built on being the anti-corruption crusader against the dynastic thieves, PMLN and PPP. The treason charge failed, accusing him of treason. Cypher Case backfired. It only made him look like a martyr standing up to foreign powers, which energized his base. The corruption charge sticks. By convicting him of financial fraud, Al Qadir, the government aims to erode his moral high ground. They are trying to say, he isn't a hero. He is just another corrupt politician who stole £190 million to build his own university. 2. Open and shut financial evidence. The government, led by ministers like Attaullah Tarar, Information Minister, argues that the Al Qadr case is legally stronger than the Cypher case. The argument: they claim the paper trail is undeniable. £190 million was returned by the UK for the state of Pakistan, but Khan's cabinet diverted it to pay a private tycoon's fine. In return, that tycoon gave land to Khan's trust. The narrative: the government emphasizes that this was a quid pro quo kickback, making it a simple case of bribery rather than a complex issue of national security. 3. Disqualification from politics. Under Pakistani law, a conviction for moral turpitude, corruption, ensures a confirmed disqualification from holding public office for years. While treason charges are splashy, corruption convictions are the standard tool used in Pakistan to disqualify prime ministers, similar to how Nawaz Sharif was disqualified. Summary of the situation: Cypher Case failed. He was acquitted because waving a paper at a rally wasn't deemed leaking state secrets by the High Court. Corruption strategy: the state is now betting everything on the Al Qadr Trust conviction to keep him locked up and legally barred from politics, arguing that he used his office for personal financial gain.